Today is May 18th, 2020, and if COVID-19 didn't exist, I would be in Bordeaux, France right now, drinking wine and probably eating cheese. But because that couldn't happen, and our trip to the Keys couldn't happen, I'm not anywhere today except my house. So this is going to be the May version of the Aldi snacks taste test. So come with me, shall you? I just got pixie dusted. All right, I'm about to try one of these Dragon Balls. Oh, look at this, she is Okay, the goal is to find interesting snacks that I may not have necessarily tried. And there was a pineapple mimosa thing I saw on Instagram that I want to try to find. Big find that I found in Aldi Finds is this Hint variety pack. I love Hint. It doesn't have any sugar in it. It's like flavored water. And it was $9.99 for 12 of them. I have never seen Hint this low in price. The lowest I think I've ever seen it is maybe $1 each, and that's rare. So normally it's like $1.57 or $1.50 each. So this is less than $1 each, $9.99 for 12. I found it in Aldi Finds. Snacks are next. Okay, I have some time before dinner, so I'm going to do the snack tasting. First off is from Simply Nature. It's their organic brand. It's called freeze-dried strawberries. That's what it's called. I don't think I've ever had freeze-dried strawberries. 130 calories for the entire bag full of them. So let's taste it. And my husband's in the background who's about to laugh at me when I try something I don't like. They're good. It tastes like the strawberries that you get on the cereal where it's freeze-dried and I put it on top. A little on the tart side, but there's literally no sugar or anything in it. And the price point on this was pretty reasonable. Actually, it was $2.69 for the bag. All right, so that's pretty good. It would be really good on cereal. Not super sweet, just like the sweetness of a strawberry. Okay, the next thing I saw, I thought I'd try because it says it's got cauliflower in it. Cauliflower crackers are gluten-free with sea salt in them. We'll give these a whirl. All right, it's a very thin cracker. And it tastes like cauliflower. Okay, kind of weird, not horrible. I want to get to the bottom of my other bag where I have something that'll go good on that cracker. Okay, so I found this brownie batter hummus. I have never had any chocolate hummus. It sounds kind of strange. So I'm gonna try it on its own and then with the cracker, but using the cracker. It smells just like brownie batter, but it's hummus. It's $3.49 for this huge tub. And here we go. This one's gonna be weird. Okay, these crackers are so thin, they break. Sorry, just gonna try the hummus. It's weird. It's got a weird consistency to it. It's not horrible. Would I get it again? Probably not. And I don't think I like it on the cauliflower chip. That's just two weird things put together on the same thing. All right, moving right along. All right, let's go to something I know I'm probably gonna like. Cinnamon churros. This is their Clancys brand. And the whole package was 99 cents. I grabbed this at the end cap of the Aldi Finds. I like regular churros, like a Disney World. It looks like a churro. It's very light. This is really good. My husband is going to love these because they actually taste like Apple Jacks. And he loves Apple Jacks. That's a winner. Let's go back to the healthy snacks. Coconut Cashew Crisps. Now, last time around, I got those coconut rolls, and they did have them, but I wanted to try something different. Those were amazing. But this has got 7 ingredients. It's vanilla, non-GMO. It's paleo, vegan, and it was, these are $2.99. This is what the crisp looks like. They also have chocolate, but I decided to try the vanilla. Okay, these are really good. These are really good. Okay. They actually taste a bit like those coconut rolls from last month, except they're not as light and fluffy because they're not, as thin. But these are very, very good.
I would get these again, and they're relatively good for you. So yeah, so yay for that one. Okay, also from their Simple Nature brand are green pea crisps. Now, I don't know that I'm gonna like these, but you know what? I'm here to be your guinea pig, so I will try these. At $1.57, I figured what the heck. These are also gluten-free, and they're plant protein, and they're 50% less fat, non-GMO. Okay, they look like this, like a very thin corn crisp puff. Oh, these are interesting. I do like peas. These are actually pretty good. They're different because they're made out of peas. Yeah, I would say this is a win. 110 calories for an ounce of them. All right, that's pretty good. Next up are cookie thins. I'm probably gonna like these. These are wholesome and crunchy, no hydrogenated oils. They're peanut allergy friendly, no corn syrup, no artificial flavors, and they have real chocolate in them. These were $2.39. I need something sweet after that pea. I would have the pea ones either on their own or maybe like a side after with a sandwich. Oh, these are gonna be like really good chocolate chip cookies. These are really good. And they're not crazy sweet. They're definitely sweet, but they're not over the top crazy sweet. Yes. Yes to those. Next up on our culinary adventure are quinoa chips. Now I did get these last month in the barbecue flavor. I decided to try the one with no flavor, just the regular sea salt and vinegar. Now I don't typically like vinegar, but I wanted to try another one of the quinoa chips. These are gluten-free and 40% less fat than regular potato chips. I did find these in the Aldi Find section, and the bag is $2.19. The husband's gonna try one of these. You like it? He doesn't like quinoa normally. I don't like vinegar.
Here it comes. Wait for it.
Woo. Yeah. I do enjoy this. If they didn't have vinegar on them, actually I didn't realize I had vinegar on them. When I saw them in the store, I was just glancing and trying to get in that out as fast as possible. And my eyes saw sea salt, so I'm like, ooh, sea salt. I didn't see the vinegar. I didn't see the word vinegar. So I don't enjoy vinegar on a chip, but he actually liked them, so maybe he'll eat them. It's not bad at the beginning, but then the vinegar really starts to sink into my taste buds, and I don't really like vinegar. All right, now my eye's switching. I think these last few ones I probably will like. This one is a roasted sweet corn popcorn. I could not find the dill from last month. That was amazing. They didn't have it, so I found this in the Aldi Finds. So roasted sweet corn. I think this is going to be like kettle corn. This is their Clancys brand. I love kettle corn. Oh, this is even more different. Wow. I mean, you have to taste this. This is interesting. This tasted like roasted corn. Like you buy from Trader Joe's and you make roasted corn like when you're having a Mexican meal. But it also has the sweetness of a kettle corn. This is very interesting. And not bad. I like it. Very, very good. And it's air popped. It does taste like roasted sweet corn. That was probably my most interesting find that I like. All right, next up are lattice cut kettle chips. I don't think I've ever seen a chip that's like a waffle fry. And it's roasted garlic. Not often you see a roasted garlic flavor in a chip. It smells really good. This is actually pretty good. Actually would be good dipped in some spaghetti sauce. Those are interesting, very garlicky. Okay. Oh, prices. $2.29 for the whole bag. And that popcorn was $1.99. That Clancys brand is extremely reasonable. All right. Last on the snack list is this, and I don't know if it's spicy. It's a queso fundido cheese and chorizo flavored wavy potato chips. Now, if you saw last month's video, I'll put that up here and down in the description box. I tried a corn chip that was way too spicy for me. So hopefully this won't be too spicy. All right, here we go. Cheese and chorizo. Okay, it's not too spicy for me. It does have a little bit of a kick. I actually stopped eating pork and beef back in November, and I actually don't miss it. I've been eating like the plant-based stuff. This to me tastes like pork in a bag. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm coming off of the garlic, but it's not my favorite. Okay, and this was $1.69, so the price wasn't that bad. And last but not least, I found this. This is blueberry applesauce. I've never had blueberry applesauce before. And it's unsweetened. It's from their Simply Nature line. I don't have a spoon, so I'm just gonna take some out of the cup. Ooh, that's actually very good. It's applesauce with blueberries also in it. And it's no sugar at all. It's just completely unsweetened. This is actually very good. I would prefer it cold, so that's gonna go in the refrigerator. All right, there you have it. That is all that I bought. My total bill for all of that, plus the $9.99 Aldi's Find of the Hint water, was $37.50. So if you take $10 off of that for the water, it was really only $27.50, which is not bad for all the stuff I got. All right, well, thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure. Hopefully it'll be Trader Joe's. Okay, bye.